Hello and welcome to What's That Thing? My name is Whitney and today we're looking at flightless birds. Flightless birds are birds that have lost their ability to fly as their species evolved. Let's see what these birds look like. Please take a moment to subscribe to join the What's That Thing curious kids. Kiwi, ostrich, flightless bird fact. Many flightless birds come from isolated areas or island regions where there are few predators. Cassowary, emu. Flightless bird fact, many do not migrate. Penguin, Flightless Cormorant, flightless bird fact, many are monogamous, meaning they stay with the same mate. Males sit on the eggs while females look for food. Wika, kakapo, takahe. Flightless bird fact, flightless birds still have wings, but their wings are typically smaller or less fully developed than birds that can fly. Many domestic birds, such as turkeys, ducks, chickens, have been bred to be flightless to make raising them for agricultural purposes easier. These birds are not considered genuinely flightless. There is lots to learn about flightless birds. Ask an adult to find information for you on the internet, or help you get a book at the library to learn more. Thank you for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. You help the channel grow. See you next time.